Okay, hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today we are currently tracking a cyclone bomb from Weatherman Plus. Weatherman Plus said cyclone bomb is when millibar drops 20th to 30, drops down 20 to 30 below, and under 24 hours. And that's what's going to happen in the Atlantic. So here's our beginning low pressure system. And after that, Saturday, January 29th, 2022, it's going to go up near the Carolinas and then bring a lot of snow to the Carolinas, Virginia, Delaware, Maryland, and bring a lot of heavy rainfall. You can see it gets down to a 989. After that, it gets down to a 982, bring very heavy snowfall to the northeastern part of the United States, bring heavy rainfall. And after that, you can see on the snow chart, right where it gets near this purple, it's significant to heavy snowfall. And as you can see right here in this little shaded purple, that's significant to very heavy snowfall from this major bomb cyclonic cyclone. It's going to bring very strong winds, heavy snowfall, and heavy rain. Heavy snow is just going to continue along Nova Scotia, some parts of Canada, and some parts of the United States. And then it's just going to go up to the North Pole. Well, guys, let's get into windy.com, and I'm going to show you what the wind speed and the wind gust is going to be for the strong cyclone bomb. Okay, we are now on windy.com on the Euro model. And as you can see, around Friday right here, you can see surface low forms, but around Saturday, the big bomb cyclone gets very crazy, brings very powerful, intense winds, potential winds up to 40 to 50 miles an hour. After that, it gets even stronger along the coast. So you can see right near Massachusetts, right here, 60-mile-an-hour winds. That is very strong. And the wind gust from this powerful system near Nantucket, wind gusts up to 87, Gay Head 63-mile-per-hour wind gusts, Barntable 74, Providencetown 78 miles an hour. That is very strong wind gusts, and the wind gust extends from the Gulf of Mexico all the way up to Canada. And as we move, it gets a little bit stronger. This bomb cyclone gets very close to northeastern region. It's very close to Massachusetts, but the winds weaken a little bit. And the wind gust is going to be about the same or a little higher. As we move a little bit, near Portland, 91-mile-an-hour wind gust. That's even stronger. So this giant bomb cyclone gets very significantly strong. It's a very huge, wide, strong surface low. The wind gust is almost the size of the Atlantic. Probably the size of like 30% of the Atlantic. And if we go on the pressure lines, you can see right here it's a 971. Right here it gets it to a 973, 974, 975. Slowly starts to weaken. But after that, right here it gets down to a 968 near Greenland. 100 at. Gets down to a 966, which is way stronger. And gets down to a 970, 979. Till then, it just dies off. Well, let's go to the beginning. So, it starts off as 1,010 millibars, and it gets down to 1,006, 1,003 millibars. It gets down to 1,097 millibars. And then 990 millibars. And then you can see it starts strengthening. And the strongest low pressure is going to be probably Massachusetts, which is a 971. Yeah, 971 is the strongest pressure that's going to be with this very strong, powerful storm system. But also for Texas and Louisiana, according to the Euro model, you can see around around Wednesday, you can see that strong winds from the Gulf of Mexico pushes up on the coast. For the Gulf of Mexico, around 40-mile-an-hour winds. For Galveston, winds around 30 miles an hour, or 29. High Island, 26-mile-an-hour winds. For Cameron, Louisiana, 26-mile-an-hour winds. Intercoastal City, 29. Then for New Orleans, around 22. Port Sulphur, 27. And for Burris, 28, 29. For Grand Isle, 30 miles an hour. Just much stronger in Golden Meadow. And you get some stronger winds. But let's check out the wind gusts. So, from this strong storm system, there's going to be strong wind gusts in the Gulf of Mexico up to 57 miles an hour, around the 50s, close to the 60s. In Cameron, Louisiana, about 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts. For Lafayette, probably in the high 40s to high 50s. Intercoastal City, high 40s. Abbeville, high 40s. And then around Thursday morning, all that strong wind gusts trains into Louisiana. New Orleans now gets 41-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Intercoastal City, 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Lafayette, around 47 to 48. And in the Gulf of Mexico, probably somewhere around here, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Let's check the wind accumulation. So for the next 10 days, the wind accumulation is going to be strong for the Euro. But according to the GFS, it's going to be a little weaker. The wind gust is going to be weaker according to the GFS. where you can see some potential strong winds pick up according to GFS. According to GFS, the winds will be kind of strong, but a few miles an hour weaker. And also from that strong major cyclone bomb, it's going to bring dangerous wave heights. So Massachusetts, about 20 feet of waves. Right around here, around 20 feet waves along here. And around Boston. Boston's going to get 14 feet of strong high wave storm surge from this strong powerful system. This storm's going to have 25 feet waves in a period of 11 seconds. But in this part, it's going to be 27 feet waves in the period of 12 seconds. But right around Nova Scotia, the waves are going to get so strong that the wave heights are going to be up to 32 feet in the period of 14 seconds. And right here, it's about 33 feet in under 14 seconds. See, on the coast of Nova Scotia, 30 feet of storming, crashing storm surge waters. The Nova Scotia could get smashed and hammered by these large, intense waves. And some of Greenland could get smashed or wrecked by these strong, stormy waves. Well, that's going to be the end for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys tomorrow or Thursday. Goodbye.